Hi you guys, good morning. I just received some of my parcels today. It's Wednesday today. It's Wednesday today, and I received some of my parcels that I ordered during Black Friday sales. And oh my gosh, I received some of my parcels from Zara and H&M. It's hard to lift them up together because they are quite heavy. So I will do some unboxing and kind of haul to show you, and if you have been watching me for a while now, you may know. By the way, I'm wearing my outfit is from H&M, my hoodie is from H&M. Like if you have been watching me for a while now, you may know this face. And my cycle shorts or bike I shouldn't remember, and my socks are also from I don't remember. Anyways, never mind. Okay, it's working. Here we have the face. Yay! I really love Zara packaging. Who doesn't love Zara packaging and surface and pieces, right? I must not be kidding with you. And this is the piece I ordered during Black Friday sale. Oh my gosh, look at this perfect, brown perfect coat. I'm so obsessed with, and I'm so happy that Zara delivered it quite early. Like it's just Wednesday today and we already received the order. I was not expecting Zara to be this fast, but anyways, oh my gosh, if you have been watching me for a while now, you may probably know I'm just literally obsessed with everything brown, and I had to order this. I actually wanted to order from H&M that brown short puffy coat. If you browse through H&M, you may probably know, but I couldn't find that during sale. That was already out, and luckily I managed on Zara website, so I just put the order, and here we have it. Oh my gosh, look at this, it looks so cute, but I think way gigantic and longer than my expectation, which is not bad, and I'm really obsessed. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god, look at the color. I thought that it wouldn't be that brown and all that because I couldn't take it in store either. So I kind of thought that it wouldn't look that good in person, but the brown shade is really nice, really kind of obsessed, and it's a bit weighty, not that huge, but only thing is that it's way longer than my expectation and quite gigantic, I would say. I wish Zara had a wind flap with concealed press studs. Like I was saying, that might have made it look expensive and even better quality piece. Like as you can see, it doesn't look that good at the front, just open zip. It is expensive. The price is original price, 6990, and I have got it in the size small, by the way, which is my regular size. If you have been watching me for a while now, you may already know that. And I have got it in the sale price, which was that, what was that, 4194, right? 4194, which is even expensive, but just a bit disappointing that it doesn't come with any wind flap, concealed press stud buttons. That might have made it expensive. Like I may repeat the same line, but anyways, I really love it. And also it has like well front pockets and these side zips. I don't know how this will help us. It also comes with press studs around the wrist on either hands, and you can tight it as per your need, like how I do it right now, this way. And I was thinking that they kept these zips for like you can see it easily this way, or for any walking purpose. I don't know what is the use of this. This doesn't seem to be useful. Or so let's move on to H&M. I think I've made it quite long. Yeah, let me open H&M. Okay, so we have, let me check. Okay, so first piece we have this plaid or check print jacket or shacket, I don't know how you call it. If you have been watching me for a while now, then you may wonder why the heck did I order it again, because I already have that. Well, my boy, let me tell you that I returned that, and since I got this during Black Friday sale on discount, so I ordered it, and so I returned the previous one and I ordered it because I got it in the discount, which is great, and I need not to tell you anything about this. But if you are new here, by the way, if you are new here, my name is Savita. Please subscribe to my channel. If you like my haul and everything, please do subscribe. That will make my day. Anyways, if you are new here, let me show you, try on and show you. This is how the jacket or shacket looks if I put it on. And I'm really obsessed with this print, and the color is so great, don't get dirty quite easily. And the color is so fall vibes, so fall and autumn wintry, I mean. So this is it, and this is how it looks. I have ordered it in the size small, and I have received it, the original price is 2699. I received it for 2160, which is really good. I wouldn't say it's a steal, but quite a good deal for Black Friday sale. It's at least better than better than buying it in the full price, right? And the next one is, yay, again a brown hoodie, and this is how it looks. Comes with metal hardware here, on the drawstrings, and regular pockets like the one I'm wearing, exactly same, I think exactly same, and I ordered it in the color grey. And again, if you have been watching me for a while, then you might wonder, you may wonder why the heck I again ordered the grey one. I ordered grey because you may know then that I already wore it. I have been wearing it like crazy, like a lot, and that went I got so many stains on that already. I got quite stains on that, and it got really dirty as I used that quite a lot. Like every day I have been wearing it at home and for running any errands around. Since it was going a Black Friday sale on, so I thought why not to order the grey color again. Why the heck I didn't order any other color? Because I was wondering if I try black or any other color, then I will have to check something matching bottom too, and if I order any bottom also, then I will have to pay even more money. So it's better I stick with my color, as I already have a matching bottom. So no, I'm not giving any excuses, but that was the thought I thought to share with you, that I already have a matching bottom in the color grey. So I again ordered the grey color and not any other color, like I was saying. So yeah, that is it. I think these are the all pieces that I ordered during Black Friday sale from H&M and Zara, and wanted to share with you. Hopefully you guys like this quite quick or mini haul, and if you did, please be sure to subscribe my channel if I have not already yet, and thumbs up the video, and I will keep you updated.